In this video, we're going to show you how to switch from Evernote to Obsidian. Many users choose to move from Evernote to Obsidian because of its local-first approach, powerful linking capabilities, flexible organization system, and extensive customization options. Whether you're managing personal notes, work projects, research materials, or study resources, Obsidian offers a highly adaptable environment for organizing knowledge. However, switching platforms can feel challenging, especially if you've accumulated years of notes, notebooks, tags, attachments, and other important information in Evernote. The thought of moving everything manually can seem overwhelming. The good news is that Obsidian provides tools and community-supported methods that can help you import your Evernote content and transition to a new workflow with minimal disruption. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple method for switching from Evernote to Obsidian and organizing your notes in your new vault. So, let's get started. The first step is to review your Evernote account and identify the notebooks and notes you want to migrate. Consider cleaning up outdated or unnecessary content before exporting your notes. Next, export your Evernote notes using Evernote's export feature. Depending on your workflow, you may choose to export individual notebooks or larger collections of notes. Once the export process is complete, create a new vault in Obsidian or open an existing vault where you'd like your imported notes to be stored. Now, use an available import method to bring your Evernote notes into Obsidian. After the import is finished, review your notes to make sure that text, images, attachments, tags, and formatting have transferred correctly. Next, organize your imported notes into folders that fit your preferred structure. You might create folders for projects, work, personal notes, research, or learning materials. You can also add properties and tags to improve organization and make important information easier to find. One of the biggest advantages of Obsidian is its ability to create links between notes. Take some time to connect related notes using internal links to build a more connected knowledge base. As you continue using Obsidian, you can gradually refine your organization system and take advantage of features such as backlinks, graph view, templates, and community plugins. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, export your notes from Evernote. Second, import the exported content into your Obsidian vault. And third, organize and connect your notes using folders, tags, properties, and links. Remember that moving to Obsidian is more than just transferring notes. It's an opportunity to create a more flexible and interconnected system for managing information. Using Obsidian's linking and organizational features can help you build a knowledge base that becomes more useful over time. This is especially valuable for users who manage large collections of notes across multiple topics and projects. Taking the time to properly organize your imported content can help ensure a smooth transition and a more productive workflow in the future. And that's how to switch from Evernote to Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.